Huh? Hello, we're at Thousand Island in Canada. It's like consists of more than 1,000 islands.
And hello, this is Richard reporting. That's an insane reporter known as Richard P.
Look at these islands.
Some are so big. Hey, is that the Jolly Roger? Can you see it?
Some are so big they're like more than 40 square miles, and some are so small they're like only like 1 or 3 big.
Yeah, and some of them are just little rocks.
Yeah, like, and some people actually bought these islands to live here in vacation time.
And you buy an island with 2 things. Yeah, and Richard buys no island at all because he can't afford it. I buy a place it in the middle of the sea. And it's called Bob. Give it a pair of retarded looking little eyes. And say, hey Bob. And Bob's like, good hell, boy.
Are clearly marked by white pines, red lettering,
So many boats here for people to like go on their own islands when they're in vacation, right? Right, Leon? Also, there's a bridge over there. Zoom in.
And so many of the bridges look
and
like
if
the Golden Gate.
Oh yeah, and if an island isn't owned by like anyone, bought by, and if anyone like, any island isn't bought, it's probably owned by America or Canada or both of them. If it's owned by Canada, it will have a Canadian flag.
They'll have to go hunt down the island. That's a small island right there.
And America, oh. Oh.
See what country it belongs to.
See, someone's
It belongs to the seagulls.
Imagine I dropped my phone.
My binoculars is... What, you're in the oil.
That is probably owned by someone because it has a house on it, like this thing.
That's a water house.
This is probably for free, I guess.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. And this is probably owned by someone because there's a house on it.
This lake's huge.
No, there's house on it. And then if it's owned by American flag, both of them, both flags. Okay. Wait, we need to take some photos. Anyways, we're still continuing. This water's so crystal clear, not clear Australian.
Clear.
Last time I went to Australia, you can actually see the bottom of the water.
This thing is so clear, I can't see a thing.
Ooh, we're heading towards the
Retardo place.
There's a tower over there. I don't know if you. I don't think they can see it.
I have to take a photo.
Okay.
11 o'clock Canadian soil. Now also at 12 o'clock. Do we need a visa? Like to travel on American soil now?
Probably. Yeah.
So do I. Guess what? I'm the odd one out. I have a Colombian passport. What? You want? I'm a Colombian.
Look at that tower. There's a tower over there.
Dad, I'm going off friend.
Your father raping your mom.
No, the one with the tower.
Wait, look at these houses. The houses are so giant, and there's supposed to be a castle on one of the
Why
islands.
is there no flag? Yeah, it's called
Bolt Island.
Look, guys, Bolt Castle.
Okay, wait.
What about this
Leon
slow
needs to
now?
take a photo.
What about this slow now?
I know he doesn't. Wait.
Some islands don't get drawn to anyone because they're so tiny.
You know, all the houses, all the houses on the islands are like giant. And then like,
Yeah, because obviously they are sure no one else is close. Pretty much like they own mansions on islands.
yeah, and then the castle is like giant. But then this guy was building it in the early 1900s, got it for like as a gift, a Valentine gift to his wife. But then like his wife died before he finished, using like heart disease or something.
And he was
So
like so full of
Yeah, and then so he stopped building, but then someone's continued the building. Wait, we need to take another photo. Sorry about it. Hey. Wait. Wait, we need to take another photo. Practically all the houses here are like mansions, right?
We are the only ones. Your father's raping your mom. What the heck are you singing?
Oprah?
I felt like giving up.
But this video is getting a bit long, so we'll continue in the next part. La 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 la. See ya.
Latest, y'all.